Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the battery life of the Realme UI in the Realme X device. So this is the update which I recently received in the Realme X device, friends, and it is my quick review on the battery life. How is the performance after using for one day with the Realme UI update? So in this video, I'll be just testing with a single SIM using the 4G data continuously, friends. But before that, if you're first time watching this channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of Realme UI. So there are complete set of videos which I uploaded only on the Realme UI, friends. So definitely you need to check the playlist in the description, friends, so it will help you a lot. So right now you can see, friends, took the screenshot at night time before going to bed, actually with 100%. As you can see, the time is close to 11 o'clock, friends. Let me show the morning screenshot which I have taken early morning, so which I'll be waking up before going to job, actually. So it's close to 6 o'clock in the morning. So overall I think 7 hours. There is a battery decrease of 3%, friends, and this is without using any always on display or anything else. So just by keeping the mobile phone in the standby mode. So here you can understand how much the usage since the last charge. So 6 hours and 52 minutes. So overall it comes to close to 7 hours. So for 7 hours the battery decreased by 3%, friends. So 3% for 7 hours. So maybe overall so 1% for every 2 hours you can take into consideration. So next I continued using the 4G data, as you can see here, friends. So 4G data continuously from the morning time 6:30, and even connected most of the time with the Bluetooth earphones, friends, not with the normal earphones. So I tried to use only the Bluetooth earphones with most of the time while making calls and while listening to the music as well. So as you can see here, friends, I started with the day with a 15 minutes of screen on time, and during till now as well, even now it's got 19% battery, and even now the 4G is on continuously. So this with the 4G continuously on in the background, so I'll be receiving all the Gmail, mails, Twitter and everything else. So it is not intense use of the phone like gaming. So this is just the normal use every day. And finally, right now, as you can see, friends, I've taken the screenshot when the battery percentage is 19%, and right now the screen on time is around 3 hours and 48 minutes. So by the time it reaches to 10%, you can get above 4 hours, friends, the screen on time. So as you can see, the usage also 1 day and 18 minutes, and the usage which I used a lot is that voice calls. So voice calls I did a pretty long time, friends. As you can see, 4 hours and 39 minutes voice calls which I did today. So using the Bluetooth earphones, friends, I think that's the reason which has consumed a little bit of more battery. But overall, if you ask me, is there any battery drain while after updating to the Realme UI, if you ask me, I would say like I cannot see that much battery drain happening right now, because I did not even enable any power saving mode as well. So this with the normal 4G data continuously on, and most of the time I was using the Bluetooth earphones. So this usage you can consider to medium to heavy use without using any games, because since it involves the most of the time connecting Bluetooth earphones. So this is the overall review, friends. I hope you like this video, and definitely you can get if you don't use earphones in the voice calls, and if you don't do so much of voice calls, then definitely you can cross 5 hours of screen on time, friends, in the Realme X device. So that's it for this video, friends. Definitely subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more Realme UI updates on other Realme phones which I'm having right now. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.